guys, we're going to Emerald Park. It's through all of this, I swear. I don't know what happened, but now we're at a castle. I guess in Ireland, the castles just spawn, and I can't stop them spawning. That's a gravity group.
Ireland.
In Ireland.
Oh, hi, I'm here now. Yeah, hi.
My rival, but now we have a truce, by the way.
Oh,
no,
yeah.
we have a truce, yeah. They don't teach you about these models in model camp.
They still have potato chips. They still have potato chips.
Prawn cocktail. Perfect. So, I know I said I wanted to try every slide, but I think this might actually murder me. So you wouldn't believe it, but we're on our way to a roller coaster right now.
How beautiful it was.
What? They have animal exhibits between the rides. What? More SBF visas. Let's go. Big turf this time.
Walk on, no sand.
Into the log.
Log ride.
My GoPro died, so Nate's gonna film for us.
Hopefully, you guys are gonna be turning away from me, but we'll try it.
Let's see. Let's go.
Bye. But I'm not plugging myself on your channel or anything. Spike supremacy.
Circle.
Circle. Circle.
That didn't last long.
A goodie. Hey, a goodie. Let's see that goodie. We have like this airplane hangar for credit. Credit? I was gonna make a joke on how this looks like the back rooms. Literally a funnel of people. This is birth control.
Twice.
Apparently this is a roller coaster is so long. Designed to run one lap, but they run 2 laps to make it worth it. But now the wait is so long. Apparently it's like soccer team day, but I guess it's football team day in the park today. Cause there's too many children. Be wary of that. We have the new turn and nog area at Emerald Park. Vekoma family boomerang, kind of see it poking out there. And the suspended thrill coaster, which there's only 2 of these in the world, so that's really unique.
I'm ready to turn my nog.
Same. It's kind of like a circle when you look at it. Circle.
The land of eternal
Circle. Tangle of Vekoma track.
This is fiberglass grating. I use this at work.
Heck yeah. It is a castle.
Angela, you ready?
Am I gonna have my mind blown or something?
I'm pretty sure.
I really don't know what I'm expecting.
This better be glass smooth as expected.
Dragon flyer right now.
Here we go! Whoa, air time on the drop! Oh my god! Whoa! Oh my god! This is awesome! Oh, air time and a roll! Oh, B&M could never! Oh, this is awesome! Oh, yes! Air time again! Oh! Woo! Oh, the G's and the negatives! Oh my gosh! That was awesome. That's my new favorite invert.
I changed my mind on it.
That beats the best of B&M inverts. It has positives, it has negatives, zero G's,
Airtime.
inversions, complete package with a lap bar, don't have to worry about neck banging. Angela picked me a flower.
I picked you guys a flower. Fianna Force just changed my mind on what an invert should be.
Oh my goodness, it's so good. Oh my gosh.
Okay, so Fianna Force is the red one, and the blue one is the family boomerang, which is Quest. So it's just like a tangle of like new Vekoma. If you said tangle of Vekoma earlier, it would be a bad thing, but now in the mid 2020s, a tangle of Vekoma is a good thing, and I think that's crazy. Quest, come back. Just want to note the interaction with Fianna Force and the Quest station is awesome. This is a little bougie.
Can I be in your vlog?
No!
Hey, what's your YouTube? Can I be in your vlog?
No!
Can I be in your vlog?
No, get that away from me. No cameras. No cameras.
Can I be in your vlog? Yeah.
Fun fact, this is the beginning of like a bus bars trip, sort of. But unfortunately, I've been stuck with Sean for like a whole week prior, and I almost killed him like twice now.
We should go in front of these two.
All of us. There's so much vlogging going on. There's so much just going on right now. Strapped up.
First one to say anything about it?
Oh, you got your strap on? I mean, you said you had a strap on your glasses, so.
Strapped in. Mix, 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 mix,
For the
mix.
thud. Wait
I'm
for it.
mixing. I don't know about you.
Can we mix? Mix, 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 mix. Whee!
Ow!
Whoa! You okay?
Oh, I got hit by something!
You hit by a bug, baby?
I don't know what I got.
Gee Willikers, that's a good gravy. Whoa! Give me airtime, please. Ah, almost. Yeah!
What if we dashed on the dino together? Got some egg over here.
Oh my god.
HJ. Go. Dino Dash. Whee!
I don't want to get wet.
You look so cold.
I don't want to get wet.
I love these new Vekoma trains.
Raptors.
Real live Raptors. Ah, I got wet.
I saw it coming, and I still
Told them Raptors are
cried.
dangerous. They said put a roller coaster in the paddock. Huh. What could go wrong?
Ah!
Oh, those trees are way too close for comfort. Oh, dinosaurs. Oh, no. I'm so wet. What is this?
This is a water ride.
This is a water ride. The new Vekoma water coaster, Dino Dash.
Live Raptors.
Stop!
They're quicker than you realize, Claire. They're
Quicker than she realizes. Oh!
You have no idea.
When those doors open, I guess the hunt
It's on! Alright, Angela! I'm so wet! It's a cute ride, oh my gosh.
Someone told me that Dino Dash was a water ride.
Water is fun.
Why did you not tell
Water is
me?
fun. You guys are just sore losers.
Now the entrance to Cú Chulainn. This is the gravity group woodie. Hopefully it dries me off after the unexpected water effects of Dino Dash. Studying on why gravity groups always have to have flags on them. many things are happening. So many things are happening in the Cú Chulainn line right now. And yeah. So ever since I started knowing things about roller coasters, I started counting. And from that moment on, so this is like my 700 from counting roller coasters. So I have more than 700, but this is gonna be my 700.
For somebody making something like that.
Number 700.
It's such a weird thing. What?
Bite, but hey man, that's a coaster with a porpoise.
Sorry, I just wrote Cú Chulainn. I chose it to be my 700.
It's awesome.
And it's really cool. It's interesting layout.
It's awesome. 700.
It's awesome.
700. Can I be in your vlog? Can I be in your vlog?
Only if you chant
King of the car.
"Long live the king."
Jeez, I don't know that man.
Hi, you're so beautiful.
Is that a harpy eagle?
It might be. We just want food, and we got lost and then realized there was an entire zoo
I don't know
back
where I
here.
am. Other than Ireland.
And he's been here before. So the lodge at Emerald Park gives you giant portions. I got some chicken curry, and these guys got fish and chips. Oh, they're back. It's driving school. We just had a good meal at the lodge, which was kind of hidden in the zoo. And we got our daily Fanta. So we got like a free meal and like drink with our club thing.
Ireland,
but
fortune's right.
Fanta. This policy though, the world would be a better place if this stuff was like implemented where I'm from. Lane is awesome. So awesome. I guess I need to grab another ride on it before we have to go and check out some Irish things before we have to go. My one complaint is just how messy the queue line is because it's insane. Use of trash cans non-existent. It's insane. Okay, and that is all I have for you guys today from Emerald Park, formerly Tayto Park in Meath, Ireland. I think it's a sweet little place. There's some really good rides. Cú Chulainn and Fianna Force are probably the top two rides. But yeah, again, this is basically day 9 of a like 17, 18 day outing for me. So I am, anyway, that's all I have. KK, bye.